Hey everyone, I hope you are all well. In this video, I'm going to be showing you half up, half down hairstyles, perfect for summer. Although I'm doing these styles with braids, if you just have long hair or twists or something else, you can also apply these same styles to them. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and follow me on Instagram. Now let's just get straight onto the styles. The first one is going to be this one, which is a center twisted knot top bun. The thing that I did different with this hair is, I'll show you. Yes, I braided it. So I'm just gonna undo it and show you exactly how I achieved the style. This is what my hair looks like when it's down. I actually braided this myself. Took some time, but yeah, I got it done. I usually do braid my own hair. It takes time, but it's worth it, and it's nice to know that whenever I want my hair done, I can do it, provided that I have the time. I'd say it's a really useful skill to know how to braid hair, because in times like these, where everything is shut, it's good to know that you can still take care of yourself and give yourself those little treatments. If you don't know how to, then I actually do have a tutorial about that, super old tutorial, and it's never too late to learn, you know? When I braid, I have a fixed location of lines that I always put in to section my hair. That makes it easy for styling. One day I will actually show you my braiding grid. So I just take this center section, and it's about up to here, this much, get the hair in. Then I get this hair that I've banded up, and I literally just braid. 3-section braid. If one section is thicker than the other, you can always borrow a few braids from the other part, and I'm not going to do it all the way to the end because I don't want to have problems when I want to take it out and it's like stuck. No, I don't want to do that. Just leave the ends like that. Then I just take it round. And that is the first hairstyle. Half up, half down hairstyle. You can decide how big you want it to be in the middle. And another thing you can also do is to grab some from the side if you wish, but this is how I'm doing it. So then, on to the next style. Side, it needs to be flipped back because I'm eventually gonna tuck it in, so just have that section there. So you are grabbing this much outwards, okay? So just twist. This one you can also twist outwards, bring them together, put your hairband in the back. You just want to loosen up the band, the hairband, and flip over. Kind of tuck in the middle in order to create that kind of quill effect. At this point you can then readjust the edges, make sure there's no tension on it. You can have it like this, or you can have them in the back. And so that's hairstyle number 2. Okay, so on to hairstyle number 3. With this one, it's kind of a variation of the first. Again, I'm going to be incorporating a braid, but this time it's more of a cornrow French braid on braids. All right, hope that makes sense. I'm gonna need to flip over some hair to this side. So kind of a diagonal part over here. Section off up to 1/3 of the front of the head. It's kind of a long arch section. So you have some edges here, right from the start here to the middle. The rest in a hairband. Start from the bottom and French braid in. Just keep braiding until the end, or until close to the end. So I've braided that much. Release this hair. Okay, so what you want to do is just kind of wrap this round in a bun and secure it with a bobby pin. I actually don't have bobby pins. I've not used a bobby pin in the longest time. I can still do it without a bobby pin. And then of course you've got your flowing hair down. When you put all your hair up, you do tend to get your edges stressing with tension. So it's just nice to be able to do half up, half down styles to distribute the weight, you know, the weight and the tension. Now to take this down. Okay, so the next style is more of a classic style with a tiny bit of a twist. I've been adding in braids everywhere, so I'm gonna do that again. And I'm gonna try and put up as little as possible. Couple of rows in the front. Of course, release the edges. You don't want them tight. Okay, so I've put it up. Of course you can leave it like this, but I'm not going to do that. I am going to grab a few braids and make another braid with it. 2 for one section, 2 for another section, and 2 for the last section, and then make a braid. Wrap it around the hairband, starting from the back. The hairstyle, you can have it to this side, you can have it in the back, you can have it on the side, or you can split it and have some down each side and then bring the rest forward, because I feel like it's too thin to have down by itself. And yeah, you can wear it like this if you want. And because there isn't so much up, there isn't so much tension. So yeah, that's it. I'll show you what it looks like at the back. Of course, if you wanted the ponytail to be higher, instead of it going round itself, it would go round itself but stack higher. Let it come round on top. Some people might prefer it higher. Is more of a fun style. It's more of a kind of festival style. It's more like a girl just wants to have fun style. And it's just 2 high buns. That is the amounts that I'm going to get. A high ponytail first, of course. Then get the second hairband. I've not followed the line exactly, only because I want a couple of the braids to peek out. I don't want this section to be completely aligned. And then you've got your 2 pigtails in the front. If it's too tight, loosen it. If it's not tight enough, tighten it. Now, of course, you could just leave it like this, but I'm just going to twist it around. Of course, if you have bobby pins, it would be useful to have a few at different points. You can twist them in whatever direction you want. That is it. I kind of like that whole cone effect. If you don't like the cone effect, I'm going to show you another style and you can probably guess exactly what I'm going to do. I will show you a way to get it a bit more compact, and that is to braid. Until it's just tight enough to hold itself in place, this side. I'm just going to twist around. You might not actually need bobby pins for this style. It kind of holds itself together, and this is the style. I think it's quite cute actually. It's a bit young, I would say it's definitely quite young. Depending on what you're styling your hair for, this might just be it. It is really just fun for me. Okay, so this is the final style. As you can see, it's much more compact, much more put together. It kind of feels more secure. So please tell me what style was your favorite. I would love to know. Just leave it in a comment below. Thumbs up this video if you've enjoyed it. Please do subscribe if you're not already subscribed, as well as turn your notifications on so you know exactly when I've uploaded a video. Please do head over to follow me on Instagram, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!